Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set your username in the Snapchat app. First, let's open up the app, and here it opens up in the camera. From here we just go into the profile menu in the top left corner, then tap on the settings button, and then tap on username. Here we can tap on change username, but there is a limit to how often we can change our username inside the app. It's once each year. So we can just tap on continue, and then we can change our username, but we have to be very careful because I repeat, we only have one chance per year to change it. So let's say we change our username to James, like this. The app is going to check if it's available, but turns out it's not, so we can just go back and remain with the same username. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.